here we are. Unfortunately, that's not Nelson's fortress. So I'll have to find out what that is. Because that is Fort something, but it's not Fort Nelson. Because Fort Nelson's up here. I'm going there today. So we'll have a look, see if I'm allowed in. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I'm in gear still. There we go.
That's very responsible, thank you.
That's right. Tunnels that go through the middle of it. So this is the main tunnel to Magazine's North Korea Koponia Gun Battery, North Mortar Battery. So we're going to wander down this tunnel. I don't know if you're going to be able to see anything, but we'll have a go. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything, but we'll have a go. Imagine if I didn't have any lights down here, you'd be able to see where you're going. But I suppose it would be torchlight then. Bypass tunnel. Soldiers going to North Korea would have had to go through the Magazine passageway. It was too dangerous having troops in hob-nailed boots, so close to the main gunpowder stores, so a bypass tunnel was built to provide a safe route. Oh. That's right. Bundle. See if I can get down here. Thank you. Ooh, main magazine. See, they're the sort of lights they would have used, see? Magazine. It's like a bit gunpowder. Eerie. Eerie. Leads out to the little hallway. Back into the main corridor. Oh, this is creepy. Creepy. Let's go into the depths. The floor's wet down here. That'll be the safe passageway. In it, dark. Like something for a zombie game. Instead of zombies jumping out, you go. This is quite cool. Eerie, but cool. Spiral staircase to North Mortar Battery Parade. Okay, we're allowed up here, so let's go up. The stairs aren't very good. Don't like the stairs very much. Oh, daylight. North Mortar Battery. So, wow. So it didn't take much to get back up, did it? Main tunnel. Right, we'll go back to the main tunnel then. So this is where I just come up. So now we'll go back down. Probably find people coming the other way. So this must be the deepest point of Fort Nelson. North Caponia Flanking Gallery. North Caponia Flank Gallery. More cannons.
So one of them put there what it is.
Well, it's either going to be a store, a pantry store, or somewhere else.
Store.
In between your watches. If you think about it, all of these things, there's loads of these little cutouts in the wall. Obviously, hammered. Just the next flight over.
Okay, look outside. Daylight. More guns.
No, I didn't. Because that's what the job the mummy done. Well, there's no drugs here. It's just making a noise.
I think I've lived here 6 or 7 years. I've never been here. Way out shop. Fort Nelson. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next time, see you again.
That was enjoyable. I enjoyed that, especially the tunnels. I can't wait to see the footage back of the tunnels. It was really good. So that's Fort Widley. Fort Widley, that is. So now I know you can't get in there. But that's Fort Widley there. W-I-D-E-L-Y. Fort Widley. So now I know. It's not Fort Nelson. Idiot. Now this corner's tight, and I know it is, and I know people slow right down for it, so that's why I've dropped a few gears. And he's actually done it right. But if it's bus, they slow right down for that. Let's see how good my memory is. Well, I have to give way, or not.